Hello everyone, welcome back to your Illmate Pages. Today we are exploring Brené Brown's transformative book, The Gift of Imperfection in a World Obsessed with Perfection. Brown encourages us to embrace our flaws and life wholeheartedly. Join us as we uncover how letting go of who we think we are supposed to be allows us to embrace who we truly are. Point 2, encouraging to be imperfect. Brown begins by highlighting the courage it takes to be a perfect. Brown begins by highlighting the courage it takes to be imperfect. She emphasizes that true courage is about showing up and letting ourselves be seen. Even when we risk being vulnerable, this bravery is the foundation for living authentically. Point 3, cultivating self compassion. The next gift Brown explores is self compassion. To embrace imperfection, we must first be kind to ourselves instead of harsh self criticism. Brown urges us to treat ourselves with the same empathy and understanding we would offer a friend. Point 4, letting go of perfectionism. Perfectionism is a major barrier to wholehearted living. Brown explains that perfectionism isn't about striving for excellence, but about trying to earn approval and avoid judgment. Letting go of perfectionism allows us to take risks and grow. Point 5, nurturing a resilient spirit. Resilience is another key component of living wholeheartedly. Brown discusses how developing a resilient spirit helps us bounce back from adversity. This resilience is nurtured through a combination of hope, perseverance, and connection with others. 6, cultivating gratitude and joy. Gratitude and joy go hand in hand in Brown's teaching. By cultivating gratitude, we can find joy in our everyday lives. Brown suggests practicing gratitude as a way to focus on what we have rather than what we lack, fostering a more joyful existence. 7, trusting in a faith and institution. In our faith and institution is vital for embracing imperfection. Brown encourages us to listen to our inner voice and trust that we have the wisdom to navigate life's uncertainties. This trust allows us to live more authentically and with greater confidence. 8, cultivating creativity is an essential outlet for embracing imperfection. Brown explains that creativity allows us to express our true selves without the fear of judgment. Engaging in creative activities helps us let go of the need to be perfect and enjoy the process of creation. In embracing calm and stillness, Brown highlights the importance of calm and stillness in our lives. In a fast-paced world, in taking time to pause, reflect, and breathe deeply is crucial for emotional well-being. Embracing calm helps us to manage stress and approach life with greater clarity. In conclusion, Brené Brown's The Gift of Imperfection teaches us that embracing our imperfections leads to a more fulfilling, wholehearted life. By letting go of who we think we are supposed to be, we open ourselves up to the joy, creativity, and resilience that comes from living authentically. Ready to embrace your imperfections and life wholeheartedly. Signing off, Maheshwari.